Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is a deal of a lifetime, being sold fully furnished with astounding 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom villa with swimming pool. Located on Edward Avenue, Runaway Bay, St. Anne is a hidden gem. Renovated to boast large sliding glass doors and windows, this uniquely designed space creates a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience, complete with hidden gardens. Solid stone floors and walls accentuate the main areas, adding a timeless elegance to this design. Enter a very spacious kitchen, complete with granite top island and countertops, two large refrigerators, commercial stove and griddle, deep fryer, ice maker, and other appliances to create a sumptuous meal for guests or family. The staff area offers an additional 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with kitchen and dining area, utility storage room, and laundry. Located adjacent to the Runaway Bay Golf Course, this property sits on 2 acres of land filled with a variety of fruit trees. This is a must-see. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. price for this property is US $699,000 or Jamaican $107.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.